Hey, welcome family. We're at the final day of Bloody Battle. 5 star, no nature. So let's check out how the defense. Yeah. And A, 61.5%. So if I get one loss, it might bring me out of that bracket. So hopefully I don't. Okay, so let me see. I have the chest open. All right, cool. So let's see if I can keep it going. Oh, this guy obliterates me every time. Thankfully, he won't be able to revive. I'm just gonna have to go ice heavy. Hmm. Let's take her out, and we'll put someone else. Oh, someone that can survive. Let's see if I can put more emeralds on her. Let's see, ranger. Okay, at least put this and that for now. Hmm. Oh shit, let's change the troops. Let's do that just in case they. There's a lot of elements, huh? I'll go with this. Never cease to amaze me. See if I get some ice tiles up. Okay, cool. We need to get rid of this guy immediately. We'll do that to decrease their mana. And then see how we're going to do this. Hopefully I can get Brimstone up and running by doing that. If I can make it through, I don't mind losing. Well, I don't want to lose, but I can handle. Okay. So we're going to need a dispel. I just need to focus on the left side and I should be all right. I don't want to put someone in there different. I want to put someone different in there. Okay, that sounds more like English. Okay. I forget what this guy does. Oh, critical chance increase. How can I get the rid? I want to get these ice towels up here. This right here. I can't. It's too many spaces. I want to get rid of these greens that seem to plague my life. Okay. Okay. We'll use Velocity first. Get that going. Okay. Wait, do we have... Let's see. She's from 2018 and so is he, huh? All right. All right, if I pop this Dragon Bomb, I'll be able to get Thorin going. Oh, all right. I'm waiting for you, Wukong. I'm ready. Not so fierce. Gotcha. All right. Ooh, okay. I like this right here. So, I forgot what he does. Oh, we're gonna need. Oh, this effect can't be cleansed. Okay. Um. Should I try new heroes just to kind of spice it up a bit? I think so. So, let's see what we're going to do here. Thought about Freya. I haven't used her the whole time. Yeah, let's give her a shot. Then we will do. I'll keep Costa Marjana, even though it's ice. She'll, if I get her going, she'll lower their attack. So let's get her in there. Let me see here. Lishu. And then, I don't think they have minions, so I'm not going to worry about Scotty. Let's get 915 at 910. 983. Okay. Let's get Thorn. Just had him. Okay. No heroes of the month. So let's try to get a fast. How's that look? I don't have a cleanse though. It's not too big of a deal. She's the only, and what he does can't be cleansed anyway. So we need to also, we have a dispel, so I think we should be fine. We have 3 fast heroes, 2 average. You know what? I want to give another hero a chance. Might as well have fun. I'm already. Who do I want protected more? Probably June. At least the minions will do that. Okay. I like this. I like this a lot. Okay. So, a lot of options here. Depends on who I want to get leveled up first. So let's not put too many tiles into the tank right away. Oh, I just. It's all right. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Who do I want to get rid of? I think the middle. Well, where would be my ghosting lane? Would probably be right here on this side. I need to get some yellows up, so how am I going to be able to do that? Okay. Of course they hit her. That was looking grim. All right, all right, all right. No messing around. Okay. Mm-hmm. I'd like to try something different again. Let's see. All right, not gonna rely on minions this time. Okay. Wait. Do they have any? No, but they produce fiends. Oh, she does. Let me see. 2020. There is no other 2020. Is it? Oh, 2022. In 2022. What's their element link? 10% attack. Nah. I don't know if I want to use Scotty, though. She's not strong enough. Uh, should we go back with Lassie? How's that look? Kind of wanted to use nah, let's just keep this. I was thinking of using Mysterio. Hmm. I wonder if all that chaos in the middle will actually kill this guy. His name is Ascara, right? Yeah. Let's try that. All right, cool. All right. Now, I think we'll use Brimstone first. Um, Glenda's not a major problem for me. Neither is Tethys. Let's go to this side anyway. I don't want her to go off. And put that defense down. Go ahead, do something. I dare you. Not only okay. Oh, she had defense down. I mean, attack down anyway, huh? And I have defense up on ice. Yeah, baby. I like you that. Okay. Oh. Ah, they was like, peace out. Okay, we got one more. Oh. Okay. Ariel as a tank. I would love to get this hero. All right. Hmm. Should I stay with this? I think survey says yes, huh? Hmm. I kind of want it. No, let's go with this. All right. Greens galore, I see. They're gonna get me to lose this one, huh? I got one match, huh? Hopefully I can get the board reshuffle. That probably would be the best. I wonder which one this... Maybe this will help her to kill somebody. Yep. It's my... Scotty never does that well. Wow. Well, there's nothing I could do with a board like that. Went through those quick. Thanks for watching, and I hope you guys did very well in your tournament. Let me know how you did in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you next week. Have a great weekend, family. Bye.